Hi, it's great to see you again.
Hi, I'm glad we could meet tonight. How was your day?
It was good, just a bit busy with work. How about yours?
It was productive. I'm glad to unwind now. Want to discuss our future plans?
Sure, where should we start?
Let's start with career goals. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself in a leadership role at my company. What about you?
I see myself running my own business. I'm working on a plan right now.
That's exciting. What kind of business are you thinking about?
A design consultancy, helping small businesses with branding and marketing. What do you think?
I think it's a fantastic idea. You'll be great at it.
Thanks. What about our personal goals? How do you see us in the future?
I see us supporting each other, building a strong, loving relationship.
I agree. Mutual respect and understanding are important. How do you feel about marriage?
Marriage is a beautiful commitment. We should be sure we're both ready.
I feel the same way. It's a significant step with many expectations and goals.
Absolutely. We should also discuss our goals for family life. Do you have any?
Yes, I would like a family someday. Raising children together would be wonderful.
I would love that too. It's important to balance work and family life.
It will be challenging, but manageable with proper planning and support from each other.
I agree. We should also talk about our financial goals and plans.
Financial stability is crucial. Creating a budget and savings plan is important.
Definitely. We should also consider investing and planning for retirement.
Yes, and discussing our values and how we want to raise our children.
Ensuring we have similar values and principles is important for unity.
Exactly. Keeping the romance alive in our relationship is also essential.
Absolutely. Regular date nights and little surprises can make a big difference.
Supporting each other through challenges and celebrating successes is crucial.
Yes, being there for each other through thick and thin is vital.
I feel very positive about our future.
I feel closer and more excited about our future.
Me too. Let's enjoy the rest of our evening and our future together.
Sounds perfect. Here's to a wonderful future together. I'd love a place with city life and nature. Maybe a house with a backyard.
That sounds ideal. I've always dreamed of having a cozy home with a garden.
A garden sounds lovely. We could grow vegetables and flowers. It would be relaxing.
Absolutely. Do you have any travel goals for the future?
I'd love to travel to Japan. It's always been a dream of mine.
Japan sounds amazing. I'd love to visit Italy someday. The culture and food.
Italy would be wonderful. Traveling together would create unforgettable memories. It's important to set boundaries and make time for each other.
I agree. Quality time together is essential for a healthy relationship.
Yes, and supporting each other's goals and dreams is crucial too.
Absolutely. Speaking of dreams, do you have any big personal goals?
I want to write a book someday. It's been a long time dream.
That's wonderful. I'd love to read it. What would it be about?
I'm thinking a mix of adventure and self discovery, something inspiring and exciting.
Sounds intriguing. I support you fully. Do you have any hobbies you want to pursue?
I'd like to learn cooking. Trying new recipes together could be fun.
That would be fun. I love cooking too. We could have cooking dates?
Cooking dates sound perfect. What about you? Any hobbies you want to explore?
I'd love to learn photography, capturing moments and creating art through photos.
Photography is a great hobby. We could go on photo adventures together.
That sounds amazing. We should definitely plan some trips.
Absolutely. It's important to make time for adventures and experiences.
I agree. Building a life full of experiences together is essential.
Yes, and maintaining open communication and trust is key.
Definitely. I'm really looking forward to our future together.
Me too. Let's continue supporting each other and making beautiful memories.
Absolutely. Here's to a wonderful and exciting future together.
Cheers to that. I'm so grateful to have you in my life.
And I'm grateful for you. Let's enjoy every moment together.